Hello everyone, let's have a quick look at question number 9. So we've got part of a field. If I have a look at the picture, it is a trapezium, right? And it also says that in the question if I read further. And I've got a farmer who wants to put a fence all the way around the edge of this part of the field. He's got 50 meters of fence. Does he have enough? I must show my working. So I must show my working. I have to show everything I'm doing. So what's the plan? Because there is always a plan, of course. I'm going to have to figure out what the perimeter of this shape is. And at the moment, I am missing this side here. So this is what I need to work out. I can't find anything out like this, but if I split my shape into, so my trapezium into a rectangle and a triangle, then I should be able to figure out what this bit here is. So I know that this line, this dotted line that I just drew, is 10 meters. And I also need to work out the base of this triangle that I've got here. So the whole thing is 18, up to here is 11, so the rest is going to be 7. So this means that I've got a triangle, right angle triangle, of course, that is 7, base of 7 and height of 10. So I am going to have to work out what the hypotenuse is here. This means I'm going to have to use Pythagoras. So I know the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the other two sides squared. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say that my question mark, I'm going to call it h for hypotenuse. So I'm going to say that h squared is equal to the sum of the other two sides squared, I said. So I've got that h squared is equal to 100 plus 49. So that's 149 h squared. So h is equal to the square root of that. If I can grab a calculator. So square root of 149 is, I'm getting 12.2, shall we say, to two significant figures here. So this is 12.2. Next step is to work out the whole perimeter of the shape, because now I've got all the information. So I'm adding up all the sides. I'm saying it's 11 plus 10 plus 18 plus the one I've worked out just now is 12.2. And because it's been a really long day, I'm going to use my calculator. I think this is on a calculator paper anyway, because of the Pythagoras that you need to do and the square rooting. That is not straightforward. It's not an exact square number, so I can't square root it easily. So I added up all my numbers and the grand total is 51.2. Okay, so obviously he doesn't have enough because he only has 50 meters of fence. There you go. That's question number 9.